And that guarantee replaces the mortgage on a asset of value. And we will meet that. And this is in the context, this slide, of domestic laws you need to have a functioning economy. And that means that in your economy you need clever rules on security. Otherwise, the circle of money does not work. Let's move then to the topic of today through the international resources. And the umbrella term is private international capital flows. Private, so not state. International, from one state to the other. Capital flows. So capital as in investment flows. To be distinguished from money to purchase coffee beans or cars or oil or coals. That is not a capital flow. So capital flow is a flow of money into the capital of an entrepreneurship in the other state.
But capital is not just money.
Indeed.
It's also resources, machinery.
Yes. Yeah, because you have also in bookkeeping terms capital assets in firms, and those are the buildings and the machines and the intellectual property law and so forth. And there are accountants bigger, whether that is capital asset or not, we can leave. And then there are three ones you need to remember, particularly foreign direct investment. And then we have the other. Let me see. The two other flavors are portfolio investment. And portfolio investment compared to foreign direct investment is that it lacks investor involvement. So with foreign direct investment, a manager of the investor takes a plane and bosses around in the investment. When it comes to portfolio investment, the manager stays home. That's the difference. And then we should distinguish capital flows from ordinary purchase agreements. And what is there the sort of critical distinguishing factor? That lacks the long-term character. So both foreign direct investment and portfolio investment has a long-term investment. And all non-long-term investment is, hey, I would like to have 10 kilos of diamonds. You pay, transaction done. Where also the money crosses the border, but that is a different topic. That is this import-export story. Alright. And then we mentioned in the workshop lecture the third flow being the remittance, which is also a private flow.